Yes. So this is question number 6, phase 6, indefinite integration. This is also our same form, f dash x upon fx or under root fx. So one thing you can do here, if you want to eliminate, we can take x square minus x minus 1 is equal to t square. Calculations will be little bit easy. So this is how much? 2x minus 1 dx, differentiating with respect to x, is equal to 2t dt. So this integral will change 2x minus 1 dx, this numerator part, 2x minus 1 dx is how much? 2t dt. So I will write this as 2t dt upon under root of t square, under root of t square. So this is a 2 will come outside, 1 upon t plus 1 upon t. T into t is there. So tt will cancel into dt. So this is 2 dt. And we know integration of dt is how much? T. So this will be 2t plus c. Now here they have taken t, then this will come. So answer will be same because my t is different here. What is t? T is equal to under root of x square. So answer will be 2 under root of x square minus x minus 1 plus c. So same answer we will get. This, by this process, calculation is bit easier. So I have taken t square. So this complete the answer. Thank you.